Okay, this is lab 5-4, the final lab for week 5, and basically it's asking me to use a potentiometer, and once it's past 500 ohms and that button is pressed, this motor should turn on. I had a little bit of trouble, and okay, in this state it is past 500 ohms. I'm just going to press the button, and the motor's having a little bit of trouble to get started, but you actually have to like turn it a little bit, like help it get started. I don't know. Wait, maybe it's not turned up. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry. It works now. It's also back here, the wires came off, and I'm doing my best to reattach them. I don't have a solder with me. But basically, it does turn on. It obviously won't turn on if I turn the potentiometer down and press the button. It won't even turn on if I try to give it a push. And you have to take my word, I am trying to push it, like start the motor. Then here's my code for it. As you can see, the motor is off, and now I want to turn it onto the on state, and that's adjusting the potentiometer up to over 500 ohms, and now you can see it's on the on state because I'm pressing the button. This is my code, and that basically I have the motor on when I just have it to print motor on when it is greater than 500 and it's equal, the button is high. I have it to motor on and pin 4 goes high, and if you look at the board, the motor is connected to pin 4. And I have a little delay there for the serial print, and then basically else, well, if less than 500, or if not high, if it's low, then motor goes off, or it prints motor off, then pin 4 goes low, delay, a small delay, and that basically turns off pin 4 and it turns off the motor. So that is my code and explanation for lab 5-4.